What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk real quick about how to train more frequently but quicker, right? So shorter sessions, more sessions per week. I've long been a believer that you can either train long and infrequently, or you can train more briefly and more frequently, all right? So my blog is called 30 Minute Physique, 30minutephysique.com. The reason it's called that is because I have found that in 30 to 40 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, I can get the same outcomes as far as strength and hypertrophy are concerned that I used to get when I was training and encouraging people to train an hour and a half, even 2 hours a day. I never really encouraged anyone to train 2 hours a day, but I did in my early 20s train 2 hours a day, and it left me feeling burnt out, run down, wondering how I was going to maintain this and continue to do this for the rest of my life as responsibilities started to pile up, and with some overuse injuries from doing too much volume in those sessions. So I'm all about training more intelligently and more quickly, but still prioritizing our gains, not being a minimalist or by any means just be a minimalist, but because I actually find this works better when we simplify our training. So the way we do that is, first, train more frequently. If you're going to be training short sessions, like 30 to 45 minutes, you have more recovery reserves to train more frequently, all right? So I recommend training 3 to 6 days a week, whatever you can do, and it can be flexible within there depending on what your program of choice is, what your training schedule is. So yeah, if you're doing 30 to 40 minute sessions, aim for 4 to 6 sessions per week. 2, use a split, right? Full body training is great. I've got a lot of programs I talk about benefits of full body training. A lot of my clients use full body training, but that's kind of ideal for people who are training like 2 to 3 times a week and looking to get like hour-long sessions per. That's great, whatever. But if you split that up into upper-lower or a 3-way split like push-pull legs or an Arnold split, you're focusing on fewer muscles per session, which means more local stimulus on those muscles you're focusing on, but less systematic fatigue, okay? Less systematic fatigue, tough to say, allows you to train more frequently. All right, a bro split would work as well. It's just a little less flexible, right? You've got to hit 5 sessions a week if you're doing a bro split, or maybe 4, depending on what type of bro split you're doing. But do some sort of split. I like push-pull legs because I'm able to train shorter, or train more quickly, but more frequently. And then from there, let's say we're doing push-pull legs, you're going to pick 3 to 4 exercises per session. So pull would be our vertical pull, our horizontal pull, our bicep, and then a 4th optional exercise if you want. And then push would be our horizontal push, our vertical push, and our tricep isolation, and then 4th exercise if you want, an accessory like lateral raises or pec deck or something like that. And the legs, we're going to have our hinge, our squat, our calf, and then 4th exercise if you want, which could be like a quad isolation or hamstring isolation or glute isolation. That's it. So 3 to 4 exercises per session, 3 sessions, rotate through those sessions 3 to 6 days a week. Then from there, we're going to do 2 to 3 sets per exercise. Easy. Take each set close to failure. I don't care what rep range you do. A lot of that will depend on what exercises you're using, what equipment you're using, what you've got available. And then finally, rest around 2 to 3, 2 to 4 minutes between sets, okay? So the secret, to summarize, to train 30 to 45 minutes per session is train more frequently, use a split, focus on 3 to 4 exercises per session, do 2 to 3 sets per exercise, rest 2 to 4 minutes between sets. All right, I hope this helps. I hope you're able to take this and, create programs for you that allow you to get in and out of the gym more quickly, but still progress and reach your goals. Thanks.